Welcome viewers. Today's mathematics is an Olympiad math question. Here we are given to solve 5 raised to the power 5 times 4 raised to the power 7 without calculator. Let us dive in. Solution to it. Solution 5 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 7. To start with, I will write it like this. 5 raised to the power 5, then 4 raised to the power 5 plus 2, because 5 plus 2 is still 7. Now, in indices, a raised to the power x plus y is equal to a raised to the power x multiplied by a raised to the power y. I will apply this law now to this 4 raised to the power 5 plus 2, so that I will now get from here 5 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 2. So I have applied this law of indices. Moving forward, also, if I have in indices a raised to the power x multiplied by b raised to the power x, that is when the powers are the same and the bases are different. Therefore, it is going to be a times b all to the power of x. So I will apply this to these two terms. 5 raised to the power 5 times 4 raised to the power 5. Their powers are the same, but their bases are different. Therefore, it becomes 5 times 4, then raised to the power 5 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 2. That is where we are now. Moving forward, this is going to give me 20 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 2. But also, 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2, then multiplied by 2. But a raised to the power x or raised to the power y is equal to a raised to the power x multiplied by y. That means I can have it written as 20 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4, which is 2 multiplied by 2. Very beautiful. Now, I can write 20 also as 10 multiplied by 2 all to the power of 5, then multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. And from what we did here, okay, 5 times 4 raised to the power 5 can be splitted and written in the form that it is given above. That is a times b all to the power of x is equal to a raised to the power x times b raised to the power x. So applying the same here, I will have 10 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5, then multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. You can now see that these bases are the same. I have 2 here, I have 2 here, but their powers are different. We have explained something like that here, where we say when the bases are the same here. So what we need to do is to add the powers, and that they are equal according to the law of indices. So I write 10 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5 plus 4. Very correct by law of indices. This is now 10 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 9. But 2 raised to the power 9 is stated as 512, then multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, moving forward, I can write 512 as 5.12, then multiplied by 100, multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. Because 100 multiplied by 5.12 will give me exactly 512, which means I have 5.12 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. 10 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 100. This time, you can now see that the bases are also the same, which is what we got here. And that means we can add the powers, so that we now have 5.12 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 plus 5, which is 5.12 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7. This is the final answer. The answer also can be written in ordinary form. This is the answer in standard form. In ordinary form, it will now be 512, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Final answer. In conclusion, 5 raised to the power 5 times 4 raised to the power 7 without calculator has been resolved to be equal to 512,000,000. Thank you, dear friends, for watching to the end. Do subscribe to my channel, and may God bless you.